Christy O'Hara from Rotor, and she's going to talk to us a little bit about the new InPower.
Awesome. Hey, I'm Christy, and this is our Rotor 3D Plus InPower with Q rings on this here. I'll flip it around so you can actually see. The only way to tell it's a power meter is that you have this little antenna here, and then there's the battery cap. It uses a AA battery, so super simple. This is our 3D Plus crank, which is our lightest, stiffest crank. The strain gauges are all axle based inside on the crank axle. Also has an accelerometer on there, and it's measuring your torque effectiveness, pedal smoothness, power, cadence. Light, simple, easy to use, and a good tool for measuring power.
What's the price point on this?
Starts at $9.59 for a complete crank set without the chain rings.
Okay. And what type of battery does it use?
The AA battery.
Okay.
About 300-hour battery life. You could use a rechargeable battery as well, and then just charge it up if needed. We do have a InPower software program that's free to download, and then you could see your exact crank angle and where you're applying maximum torque in your pedal stroke. So if you're using Q rings, which are on this bike, you can find your actual Q ring position. We measure what's called OCA, your optimum chainring angle, to find your best OCP, optimum chainring position. So on this bike, you can see it's in position 3. There's 5 different positions on the Q rings.
And what position should somebody start at typically?
If you're a road rider, in a pretty neutral saddle position, position 3. If you're a triathlete, I know a lot of your athletes mainly ride on tri-bikes a lot further forward on the saddle. You want to be in position 4, most likely. Sit further back, position 2. If you have the InPower crank, you can do a more accurate test to find your exact OCP.
All right. Okay, thanks, Christy.